people. We made it to Connecticut. I tell you what, man, I thought I'd seen traffic before, but I hadn't. I was on North 95, going through the Bronx. 6 lanes of traffic through tunnels. I mean, there's people on top of people. There's bridges and tunnels, and we're going over trains, and wow, there's a lot of people up in these parts. I'm telling you, it's insane. Insane amount of people. There's my knuckles. I'm getting my color back. That's a white knuckle drive. Holy schmoly.
Are 5 minutes from our KOA.
Oh, did you see a grocery store?
No, but I'm sure we'll find one. There's so many houses. Oh my gosh, look at that house. Woo. Extremely.
25-mile-an-hour switchback. Coronavirus. Where's there's a Trump 2020. Do not enter. Where's the guard shut? The entry. Oh, there it is. I see it. Got her. You see that sign that says keep pets on a leash? Stay close to me with that imaginary leash.
Turn left, and the destination is on your left.
He's used to his rules. Oh, look at that garden right there.
Man, gotta climb this hill, I guess. No big deal. No big deal. What number are we in?
121.
Look how shady all this place is.
Bubbles is showing us the way.
We're going to the store now. We just dropped the laundry off.
Then we're gonna head to Walmart.
Some Nutella and popsicle sticks if they have any, and make peel the apples and then put a popsicle in it and put Nutella on it. It's gonna be really good. Bye.
So beautiful here. We have arrived at Walmart. Yes, and Callan needs some Nutella for his apples that we picked at the apple orchard.
Let's go.
Look at that house, cowboy.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Boston Post Road.
Oh wow, what is that there?
So that's what they live by. Yeah, we're going to the beach in the Raptor. And what are we gonna do there? Gunner, you we're gonna swim with Sticky Gunner. And eat some protein bars. Bye.
East Beach, parking
All the way down there. I'm not looking. You have to look down.
The beach is on the other side of that railroad tracks. Aw.
Oh.
How are we supposed to get over there?
You gotta walk through
We
the
can't.
spot. You can go under.
Mama, where did Daddy go?
He went to go fly the drone for a little bit.
I don't know if I can keep it in. But the kids are on a ride on a fire truck.
It was 4th of July weekend. Want to know why?
That's pretty
Because I
wild.
was at the pool.
Oh, what do you think? You want me to go? I'll go with you. Oh, we're headed to the fire now. Well, people, we're fixing to leave Connecticut. We're headed to Rhode Island. It's only 37 minutes to about the middle of Rhode Island to another KOA. But I decided I gotta put these stickers on real quick. I got behind, I got Delaware, New Jersey, Connecticut, and Rhode Island. I'm gonna need some tweezers for that one. It's only 1,200 square miles. New York City would fill up half of it. But here we go. Well, people, we're leaving Connecticut, and we're somewhat in the center of Connecticut, and we're going to about the center of Rhode Island to a campground. Wall. That's a weird name. I'll show you later. But it's only 43 miles. here we go. Rolling out.